So in the previous video we discussed like the comment section. Now I will show you that how we can create a menu in WordPress. So in appearance you can see menus here. Just click on menus. There are two things, like first we can create the menu, and second then we can assign the location to that specific menu. Now for example, menu name is main menu, and then click on create menu. Now you remember we have categories. So if we want to add page, first like view all, home will appear because we have only about us, but home is the the main front page. So add to menu, home is there. Now I want to add categories. So categories, like we can see only 3 categories because we have content in these category. In technology and in WhatsApp is the subcategory or child category of technology, and in the news category. But if I click on view all, I can see all categories. So I will select all of them except of uncategorized and add to menu. So you can see all of them will appear here, and then save menu. So when we have save menu, we refresh the page, it will not appear anywhere. So we will have to assign the location. So just go to the manage locations, and now it depends on the theme. Like in this theme we have 4 locations: top bar and mobile and header and footer. So it depends, like in header now we want main menu which we created. So I will select main menu and save changes. So if you refresh the page, you can see main menu is appearing now here in the header. You can see. So if I click on news, you can see news article will appear here. If I click on technology, because technology, WhatsApp both have one article, so in both that article will appear. If I click on fashion, right now in this category we didn't create anything, so it will be blank. So if we will create now new post which we will assign to the fashion categories, and then that particular post will appear here also, and also in the home page. So this is the header, like main menu. Now edit menus, you can see like WhatsApp is the subcategory of technology. So how we can create drop down menu WhatsApp, this option, just move a bit here like this, and then save menu. Now refresh the page, and you can see now WhatsApp is the subcategory of technology, drop down menu of the technology link. So like this you can create drop down menus. And the next thing, now we will add a new menu, and this one will be like top menu. Create menu, and here you can see I will add home and about us in this, and then save menu. Now if you check manage locations, and in the top bar we can select top menu, save changes, then refresh the page, you can see home and about us is there. So same thing, like if we will add new page, for example contact us, okay, for more information please contact us, and then publish. This is the dummy content. I will show you later that how you can add a form in the contact page. Now if you want like simple, if you refresh the page, your website, you can see contact us will not appear anywhere in your web page. So what we will have to do, like we will have to go to appearance, menu section. You can see about us is not there, so go to the menu section, and here now top menu we will add it, and contact us page we will add because it's appearing here, we have published it. And the save menu, now no need to go to the manage locations because locations already align, location is already assigned. So now if you refresh the page, you can see contact us is there. So if we click on contact us will open. If we click on about us will open. If we click on technology WhatsApp, then articles of the WhatsApp will appear. If we click on home page, the home page will open. So this is how we can create a menu, and how we can create drop down menu, how we can assign the locations. If you want to delete menu, you can delete from here. If you want to delete or remove a specific item or link, so you click here and then you can remove from here. So this is simple about the menus, and in the next video we will discuss about the widgets section. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.